Okay, hello. I'm doing the demo for Team 49. My name is Chris Bauer. Also on our team are Santosh, Karthik, and Eduardo. Um, as you can see, uh, our UI is built in PHP, running on Symfony. Go ahead and start that up. And our backend is, of course, Java, and we're using Spring Boot to provide services to the UI. We'll go ahead and get that started. Um, so I'll go ahead and demo some of the operations here. As you can see, our UI, the way it's laid out, we have um, a way to enter commands, just textual command like add, stop, and then all of the parameters and comma separated. We could do that. We also have these convenience sort of methods here. So if you wanted to add a route, then you can just input the values um, that are needed for the route, and then it would do that. And we also have these methods here to step through the simulation. Um, so as an example, we have the system report here. You press this and it shows you what's in the system. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate. Let's go ahead and add a stop. Okay, so we give it a stop ID. We give it a name, Peachtree crossing, for instance. The number of riders that are at the stop, and then the coordinates, geo coordinates of this stop. We can save it, and the system tells us it was successful. We hit system report, and we can see that we have one stop. And also add a route, for instance. So we have a route ID of 1, the route number 101, and then the name could be east, for instance. Save that route. And then if we want to add a bus to that route, give the bus a number, the route ID, the location ID, just go 1. How many passengers are on the bus? We'll say 12. It can hold 30. And the bus max speed, let's say it's 55 miles an hour. We save the bus, and again, we go to the system report, and we see all of these things are added. And all of these buttons work in a similar way. So that's the UI and how it works uh, with the back end. And as you can see, while we were doing that, we were getting output here in the console for the back end. Okay. All right. So we implemented riders here. We implemented roads, and we implemented rails. Um, for our random feature, um, we did we added a weather element, so we could say that poor weather, something like that, could cause service to be slower, and so we use this to affect the simulation. We also to improve the travel time, we incorporated Google Maps distance APIs to get us closer to real travel times. Okay. Okay, so to demonstrate the system and how it covers the client's requirements, we actually developed a command line interface, and we have a file, a text file that has the enough of a simulation in it to demonstrate that. I'll go ahead and run that here. Okay, so you can see we have the weather element taking place. We have riders getting on, getting off. The distance is being calculated. Um, Again, that's using the Google APIs. And so the simulation will run for a little while until it's finished. And okay. So, okay. So you can see how it's running. It's showing the distance, showing whether or not weather is going to be involved. And we don't have to, I'll go ahead and stop the recording, and then I'll show you when it's finished. So as you can see here, the simulation has finished. We had buses, we had trains, um, and everything has, uh, all the events have been processed. I hope this satisfactorily shows the system, and thank you for watching.